about to say Instagram, but we not on Instagram right now. But y'all, as you can see by the title, you know what's going on. I want to give y'all YouTube content also, because that's what y'all be asking for. So I'm gonna give it to y'all, bro. I have expressions pre-stretch. I love this hair so much. This is all I braid with. I got a color 1B, and I also have this color. A client used this color, so I'm like, why not I use it? You know what I'm saying? I wanted to try something different. I think I want to do something like this. Will my hair be big and stuff, you know? But here goes nothing. We finna try this. Believe in yourself, ladies, because you can do this or whatever. Alright, so first I start off by parting my hair into 2 sections. It's way easier for me that way. Okay, so right here I'm using my phone as a guideline to see if I parted straight or not. And that really helps. I don't know, it's just way easier for me. I could just go back if it's wrong or something. And then I just start picking out my hair. And then I part out one section so like the middle can be full. Like I don't want my braids to look thin, you know? And then I brush out my edges. Okay, so here I'm just making my part with Shine Jam. Shine Jam, personally, it makes my parts like really straight and crisp. I love crisp stuff. Yeah, crisp parts. And then I'm using my Human of Color. They sent me that. It's pretty good. See how shiny it makes my hair. Alright, so I grabbed my thread holder. It's really used for thread, but I use this for my hair, so it's way easier like to grab. I don't have to do it while I'm doing my hair. You get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying if you're braiding, you know? But yeah, I just gradually get it thicker, you know, as I go when I put them on there. Okay, so you'll see me do, I like for them to be even, so I use my other braid as a guideline to see where I need to add my colored hair. Okay, so for my braids in the back, I like to tilt my head like forward. Like it's way easier to braid like that, especially when you're doing it backwards, as you can see. So for that section we parted out in the beginning, we're going to add knotless braids or box braids, whichever one is easier for you. I chose knotless. This is just to make your ponytail more voluminous. Yes.